COLTENE is convinced that everything can always be a little bit better, easier, and more reliable. With expertise and enthusiasm, we've made this claim become reality for many, many years, and therefore call this mission Upgrade Dentistry. COLTENE is Upgrade Dentistry. As a research-driven manufacturer of consumable materials, COLTENE is always searching for innovative solutions and clever concepts for tomorrow's practice routines and customer needs. The COLTENE Group operates state-of-the-art development laboratories and production facilities in Switzerland, Germany, and France, as well as in the USA and Canada. All facilities are committed to the development, manufacturing, and marketing of small and large-scale devices, as well as chemical and mechanical consumables. The group of companies is constantly growing through strategic partnerships and strong alliances. Today, COLTENE leads the way in three main treatment areas: infection control, tooth preservation, and treatment efficiency. Within infection control, COLTENE is a comprehensive system provider for instrument processing as well as surface cleaning and disinfection. The Biosonic portfolio covers state-of-the-art ultrasonic cleaning equipment and solutions. With SciCan, a complete range of thermal disinfection equipment and autoclaves, as well as high-quality cleaning and disinfection wipes, is offered. Sustainable tooth preservation, which covers a comprehensive portfolio of endodontic and restorative systems, has always played a central role for COLTENE and forms the second product cornerstone. The endodontic range covers all areas, from canal preparation to irrigation through to obturation. Recognized brands include Micromega, HighFlex, and Canal Pro, as well as Hygienic
and Royco.
Parapost, the market leader in root posts, completes the program. The international brands Brilliant, Miris, Componir, and Paracore are well-established flagships in the product segment of restorations. Matching adhesive systems and polymerization lamps complete the range and meet the highest demands in aesthetic filling therapy. The broad selection of sophisticated utilities for more efficiency covers three areas. Firstly, high-precision impression material systems based on A-silicones like Affinis, President, and JetBlue Bite, or the dimensionally stable C-silicone line SpeedX. Secondly, a comprehensive range of rotary instruments marketed under the brands Diatec and Alpen cover high-performance diamond and hard metal burrs as well as polisher systems. Last but not least, the portfolio for treatment utilities offers a large assortment of useful helpers, like the highly renowned Royco products, including Gelatap for wound treatment, cotton products such as Luna or Parotis Roll, and the Surgitip aspirator tip range. Other examples include the well-known dental dams and clamps by Hygienic or the occlusion foil program by Hanel. Leading universities and key opinion leaders value working with COLTENE. COL meetings around the world with up to 400 professors from 100 universities are testament to this. Together with close customer contact during international trade fairs and conferences, COLTENE is able to gather experiences and knowledge to ensure the ongoing development of first-class dental solutions. In order to consolidate the COLTENE Group headquarters in Switzerland, a new building with state-of-the-art production facilities, warehouses, working spaces, and a training center was built. All these steps result in a better all-around performance. In other words, Upgrade Dentistry, or better quality, better reliability, better practice.